Hello, my name is Alexandra, and now I'd like to present you a kind of lecture about chronic pain and the different ways of how to cope with it. Pain is an all too familiar problem and the most common reason that people see a physician. Unfortunately, alleviating pain isn't always straightforward. Pain serves an important purpose by alerting you to injuries such as sprained ankle or burnt hand. But chronic pain, however, is often more complex. People often think of pain as a purely physical sensation. However, pain has biological, psychological, and emotional factors. Furthermore, chronic pain can cause feelings such as anger, hopelessness, sadness, and anxiety. To treat pain effectively, you must address the physical, emotional, and psychological aspects. Medical treatment, including medication, surgery, rehabilitation, and physical therapy, may be helpful for treating chronic pain. Psychological treatments are also an important part of pain management. Understanding and managing the thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that accompany the discomfort can help you cope more effectively with your pain and can actually reduce the intensity of your pain. Now I will suggest you several tips for coping with chronic pain. First of all, you should stay active. Pain or the fear of pain can lead people to stop doing the things they enjoy. It's important not to let pain take over your life. Also, know your limits. Continue to be active in a way that acknowledges your physical limitations, of course. Make a plan about how to manage your pain and don't push yourself to do more than you can handle. The third tip is to exercise. Stay healthy with low impact exercise, such as, for example, stretching, yoga, walking, or swimming. The next one is making social connections. Call a family member, invite a colleague to lunch, or make a date for a coffee with a friend you haven't seen in a while. Research shows that people with greater social support are more resilient and experience less depression and anxiety. What is also important is to ask for help when you need it, and you should remember about it. Besides, distract yourself. You may distract yourself. For example, when pain flares, find ways to distract your mind from it. Watch a movie, take a walk, engage in a hobby, or visit a museum. Pleasant experiences can help you cope with pain. The next tip that can help you to overcome your chronic suffering sound like this. Don't lose hope. With the right kind of psychological treatments, many people learn to manage their pain and think of it in a different way. Of course, it goes without saying that you should follow all your prescriptions carefully. If medications are part of your treatment plan, be sure to use them as prescribed by your doctor to avoid possible dangerous side effects. In addition to helping you develop better ways to cope with and manage pain. Psychologists can help you develop a routine to stay on track with your treatment. Thus, if you suffer from chronic pain, in order to ease your suffering, you should learn how to manage your pain, to put up with it sometimes, and at last to kill your disease. And I wish you it. Thank you.